Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox game not rotating on iPhone or Android, or how you can simply turn your screen sideways. So first, what I suggest to do here before you play the game, you just need to go to the top right on your phone if you're on iPhone, and then swipe from top to bottom, and then make sure this option is not enabled, right? If this option is not enabled, then you can just simply launch the game and then just tilt your phone a bit. And then, as you can see here, it should turn sideways, as you can see here. If this do not work, then what I just suggest you to do here is to restart the experience itself and try launch it again and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, go to App Store and make sure there is no update. So as you can see here, for me is an update that I need to update my game in order to, as you can see here, get a sideways screen. So I just need to wait for a few seconds. And after update, look if the problem persists. If this do not work, then go to Settings, General, then go to iPhone Storage, then scroll down until you see Roblox, and then offload app, and then just reinstall it again, and it should work. So yeah, that's basically it.